Hey, this is Sayid demo video number 1 for Sayid version 0.0.1. Sayid is an omniscient debugger for Clojure. I did not make up that term. It describes a debugger that captures a historical record of a program's execution and then makes it available to the developer in a way that assists with the debugging process. To demonstrate, I'm going to debug this example vending machine application. You put coins in, push a button, and food comes out. Here's a simple test I put together. First, we have the definition of the vending machine. You can see we've got tacos, they cost 85 cents, and we have loaded 10 of them in there. Then we've got our test function. Take the vending machine, insert a quarter, then a dime, then a nickel, then a penny, totaling to 41 cents. Then we push the taco button. Okay, so having put in 41 cents for an 85-cent taco, we would not expect a taco, but let's see what happens. So we execute the test with Sayid. We haven't traced anything yet, so Sayid prompts us for a directory to scan for namespaces to trace. Hit enter. All right. This is everything that happened within those namespaces when we executed test1 function. What we see is just a list of all the names of the functions, but we can drill in farther to get more detail. For example, our test function, what happened? It returned the new state of the vending machine. It dispensed 2 quarters and a nickel, as well as a taco. That's not right. There's a bug in this vending machine. So let's go back and get more detail on what happened. So here's all the calls, including the args and return values. We kind of step through here. We see insert coin a few times, and then we press the button. And now something interesting. We called valid selection. Now, valid selection returns true, but it shouldn't. Our selection was not valid. We can see what valid selections. Let's jump to valid selection real quick. All right, there's the code for it. Useful. We can see what valid selection called. It called get selection and then calc coin value. This is a problem because we can see got the correct list of coins, but it returned $1.40 as the value. So let's drill into that. We can rerun the workspace, but with what's called an inner trace on the calc coin value function, and that's going to give us some more detail about what's happening inside that function. Boom. Let's go big. All right, so we can see all the calls that get made inside the function. There's our threading macro. We're summing things, and we're calling keep. Keep is getting past the definition of the coin values, and I happen to notice that penny is worth $1 here. That's not right. Let's look at that code while we're at it. Yep, penny's $1. Let's fix that. Penny's now worth $0.01. We reevaluate, and then let's go back to our keep, and we can just rerun the workspace. Now we see that keep is getting past the definition that has a penny being worth $0.01. That's good. And we go back to the top, look at our test function, and see that no coins were returned, and we've got an error message, nothing was dispensed, no tacos. So we fixed the bug. That's awesome. All right, so there's a lot more to Sayid, but hopefully this is a good introduction.